If you experience this while applying your subsequent HELB loan, today I'm going to be showing you the easiest method of applying subsequent using USSD code *334#. It's simple, easy and direct. It doesn't require you to pay the 1 shilling. Let's go to the video. Hello, it's Kole Manjani. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos whenever we post. In this channel, I'm posting content on tech, so subscribe now. Previously, I had made a video on how to check your loan status, allocation, disbursement, etc. Let's go to the video. You will have to go to your phone, dial *334#. Then you will see some options. You will have to choose option 6, Lipa na M-PESA. Then you will see number 6, government services. We have NSSF, HELB and M-Post, and Kenya Ferry Service. You choose option 2, HELB. Once you've submitted your PIN, you will see a congratulations message saying that your application has been received, and you will be given the serial number there. So you see congratulations, your 2023-2024 undergraduate subsequent loan application serial number this has been received. So you also receive the SMS message via your phone number you registered. Congratulations, your 2023 undergraduate loan has been received. So serial number this, track your status from. If you found this